Tornado. Tornado. Spinning column of air from a storm. Cyclone. Cyclone. Large spinning storm system. Sandstorm. Sandstorm. Wind carrying sand through desert. Tsunami. Tsunami. Huge sea wave caused by an earthquake. Landslide. Landslide. Rocks and soil sliding downhill. Avalanche. Avalanche. Snow sliding down from mountain. Earthquake. Earthquake. Sudden shaking of the ground. Wildfire. Wildfire. Fire spreading in forest. Aurora. Aurora. Colorful lights in polar sky. Volcano. Volcano. Mountain that erupts lava. Lava flow. Lava flow. Molten rock moving from volcano. Erosion. Erosion. Wearing away of land by wind or water. Drought. Drought. Long period with no rain. Flood. Flood. Too much water covering land. Hurricane. Hurricane. Strong rotating storm near the ocean. Iceberg. Iceberg. Large piece of ice floating in sea. Heatwave. Heatwave. Very hot weather for many days. Hail. Hail. Small balls of ice falling from clouds. Snow. Snow. Frozen white flakes falling from the sky. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Very large wave caused by tides. Blizzard. Blizzard. Heavy snowstorm with strong winds. Ice storm. Ice storm. Rain that freezes on contact. Lightning. Lightning. Bright flash in the sky during a storm. Thunder. Thunder. Loud sound after lightning. Sunshine. Sunshine. Light and warmth from the sun. Cloud. Cloud. White or gray mass in the sky. Rain. Rain. Water drops falling from clouds. Rainbow. Rainbow. Colored arc in the sky after rain. Storm. Storm. Violent weather with strong winds and rain. Wind. Wind. Moving air around us. Drizzle. Drizzle. Light rain falling softly. Fog. Fog. Thick mist making it hard to see. Mist. Mist. Light fog near the ground. Breeze. Breeze. Gentle wind. Frost. Frost. Ice crystals on surfaces in cold weather. Dew. Dew. Water drops on grass in the morning. Humidity. Humidity. Amount of moisture in the air. Temperature. Temperature. Measure of how hot or cold it is. Meteor shower. Meteor shower. Falling stars in the night sky. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. Moon covering the sun. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Earth's shadow covering the moon.